guys, if you couldn't tell by the title of the video, it was a really hard day because it wasn't really a hard day. Oh my gosh, red light. As you can see, I only got like an hour and a half of sleep last night because I was up to like 4:30 or 5 in the morning just because, which was a bad choice because I was legit having mental problems today at work. It was really hard to stay awake and stay focused. I mean, it felt like I was on drugs or something, but I don't know what that feels like, so that's the closest thing I can relate to. But basically, that was one of the, I mean, I hate that feeling when you're like falling asleep, and I don't even know how to describe it, but if you've stayed awake for a significant amount of time, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. Basically had the same thing on my trip when I was driving, basically sleep driving. Anyways, where was I? Hard to think, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. I was working on putting the pipes in through the holes I drilled yesterday, and putting the wire down the holes, which was extremely difficult because basically it was the same size as the hole, and I think the tin, the little metal piece on the bottom of the ceiling downstairs, basically whatever I drilled through, the little metal was just getting caught on it, so it took a while to get all the wires through the holes just because it was such a struggle. But anyways, that's what I worked on today. Moved that power wire, relocated it from yesterday's video. If you remember, it was going through that little square box, so I took out the old wire and ran a new wire up and above the square box, and then added the bathroom light. I think I forgot that to record that, but anyways, I added the third bathroom light from, I don't think I mentioned it yesterday, but basically I forgot one of the lights, and so I basically just wired that in, and then went downstairs to the 4th floor and ran a few home runs to the boxes there. So anyways, that's what I worked on today. I probably forgot to mention a few things, but hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for the support. Hope you guys have a great weekend. I'm gonna go home and take a nap probably for a couple hours before I leave to do stuff tonight. So I will see you guys back on Monday if I don't make a video over the weekend or anything like that. Thanks for the support, guys. Hope you have a great rest of your day and a great weekend, and don't forget to sleep because it really matters. It'll drive you mentally crazy. But anyways, that was my day. It was nice, but just mentally it was hard because I was running really low on sleep. But hope you already said everything. Peace out, guys. Later.